Forklifts are essential to logistics and warehousing, but have you ever wondered what makes these powerful machines tick? Today, we're diving into the mechanics of how a forklift works. Let's start with a general introduction to this workhorse of material handling. A forklift is a powerful industrial truck designed to lift, move, and stack materials over short distances. Their main purpose is to efficiently transport heavy loads, primarily using pallets, within facilities like warehouses and distribution centers. At its core, a forklift consists of four main parts: the chassis, which is the main body, the mast, the vertical assembly that raises and lowers the load, the carriage, which holds the forks, and the forks themselves, the part that slides under the load. Next, let's look at what powers this machine: the power system. Forklifts come with different power sources, including electric batteries for indoor use and internal combustion engines running on propane, diesel, or gasoline for more demanding outdoor or heavy-duty tasks. Whether electric or combustion-powered, the engine or motor converts fuel or stored energy into mechanical power to drive the wheels and, crucially, to run the hydraulic pump, which we'll discuss next. The real lifting power of a forklift comes from its hydraulic system. The hydraulic system uses pressurized hydraulic fluid. The engine or motor powers a hydraulic pump, which pressurizes this fluid and sends it to the lift cylinders to perform the heavy work. To lift a load, the operator actuates a lever, directing the pressurized fluid into the lift cylinders of the mast. This extends the pistons, which raises the carriage and the forks, effortlessly lifting heavy materials. Forklifts also have a tilt function. Hydraulic cylinders allow the mast to tilt slightly forward to pick up a load, and backward, known as mast tilt back, to secure the load against the carriage for stable transport. Operating a forklift requires precision, especially when it comes to steering and control. Unlike cars, most forklifts use rear-wheel steering. This allows for a much tighter turning radius and greater maneuverability in confined spaces, essential for navigating narrow warehouse aisles. The operator uses controls for acceleration, braking, steering, and a series of hydraulic levers to manage the lift, lower, and tilt functions of the mast and forks, all designed for precise load handling. With great power comes great responsibility, and safety is paramount when operating a forklift. The large, heavy weight at the back of the forklift, known as the counterweight, is crucial. It balances the load being carried on the front, preventing the forklift from tipping over when lifting heavy materials. Operating a forklift requires certification and strict adherence to safety rules, including never exceeding the load capacity, maintaining visibility, and wearing appropriate safety gear at all times. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about the amazing forklift. The forklift combines engine power, hydraulic lifting mechanisms, and specialized steering to move heavy loads with precision, all while relying on the counterweight for stability and safety. From classic warehousing to modern automated logistics centers, the forklift remains an indispensable tool, constantly evolving to meet the demands of global supply chains.